Is the screen shared, Pujit?
Yes, sir. Your voice is breaking.
James Faulkner was a British poet, travel writer, translator, and playwright. His first volume of poetry, The Drowned Sailor, was published in 1947. Thereafter, he wrote profusely in
तो
English
कलर भी दस हजार
metrical
का
form
कलर 10 5 का
before switching to Japanese poetic forms like haiku. He was a noted translator of Japanese poetry. He was also a well-known travel writer. In 1950, he was awarded the Atlantic Award for Literature by the Rockefeller Foundation.
नहीं आता तो वही है लेकिन थोड़ा
He
क्वालिटी
became
का
a Fellow of the Royal Society of Literature in 1962. In 1992, he won the Scott Moncrieff Prize for Translation. In No Men Are Foreign, James Kirkup shows different ways in which men are similar. Here is the summary of the poem No Men Are Foreign by James Kirkup. In the poem, James covers parts of the earth. Through several stanzas in the poem, he fosters the image of humankind united by their similarities. In the first stanza, so in this stanza, he asks the reader to remember that no man is different, nor the countries they inhabit unfamiliar. Kirkup then uses the word uniforms to depict different castes, cultures, religion, and color that men might belong to. However, he asks them to remember that under different uniforms, they all share the same body and earth.
Your voice is
In the
breaking.
Something's wrong with the voice. Probably video also stopped.
second stanza continues with
Yes. There's something wrong with this. Okay. Can somebody read what is written here?
this theme by stating
I'm pausing it. Can somebody read?
Can I?
Sir, may I?
Yes.
Can I?
Kirkup in the second sentence continues
Yes, beta.
with this theme by stating that all men share the same sun, air, and water.
Wherever you live, wherever you are, if you are residing in Madhya Pradesh, if you are residing in South India, if you are residing in some other country, maybe far in Australia, maybe somewhere else in South America or in Europe, will your sun be different?
No, sir. No, sir.
The sun will be same wherever you go. You'll be sharing the same sun, same sunlight. Okay. Now air. Does air change?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Does the composition of air change? It is
No,
the
sir.
same air. It has the same physical properties. It has the same chemical properties. Now, water, the water that you drink in India or the water that you drink in Australia or in South America or in Europe, the water will be same chemical uh, composition of water you'll be drinking. Whatever water body is there, but the drinkable water that you get will be same. If you fill it from the river Amazon, if you fill it from some other river, if you fill it from anywhere else, the water will be same. When there is no difference between these things, how can we say that we are different from others? This is the question. Now, let us
They
see what is
grow.
given further ahead. Now, read this.
They all find sustenance from the crop they grow and starve equally after a long war.
They all find sustenance from the crops. See this harvest. This is wheat. Whatever we eat, maybe wheat, gram, barley, sorghum, whatever. These are all crops. People in India depend on crops for the sustenance. What do people in Australia depend on?
Crops.
Everywhere. They grow and starve equally after a long war. If a war takes place, okay, let us consider about today's condition. What is the adversity prevailing?
Sir, can you repeat?
What is the adversity prevailing in the world these days? What difficult situation everybody in the world is going through these days?
Sir, pandemic.
Pandemic situation of
Yes.
coronavirus.
So this pandemic of coronavirus or COVID-19 disease, is it affecting everybody equally, similarly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or the effect is different at one place compared to other?
No, sir.
The number of positive cases or the number of deaths may differ. That is another thing. Those are statistics. But the effect is same, isn't it? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
when,
sir.
when this has happened, the economic deterioration, the effect on the business, the effect on services, the effect on lives, everything is same in every country, in every area or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, same.
So when anything like this happens, to recover from this, to come back to normal, to grow, or the starvation, or whatever is the effect, it all is same and equal anywhere you go. Right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Then what next? Let us see. Hmm. Now read this.
Inside sense we are same. In it is we do better ourselves.
Instead, we are not different. Actually, since we are the same, it is we who betray ourselves. We are not different from one another. We consider ourselves different from one another, and we start calling that I am from this place, you are from that place, I am from this creed, you are from that creed, I am from this religion, you are from that religion, I am from this state, you are from that state, I will not support you. We have done all this, we have created these differences, and by doing this, we are betraying ourselves. Who are we cheating on? By saying that you are different from me. No one is different from you. As we have seen in the earlier part, that everything, everywhere, in everybody is same and similar. When there is no difference, why do we say that we are different? And who are we cheating? We are cheating on ourselves by considering ourselves different and by isolating ourselves. See what a beautiful picture this one is. Can you see this? If we
Yes,
can,
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
can all join hands, we can all hold hands, we'll walk hand in hand. Have you heard that song? We shall overcome.
Yes,
Has
sir.
anybody heard?
Yes.
We'll walk hand in hand. When can we overcome all adversities? When can we overcome all difficulties? When can we emerge successful? When we are walking together. See this beautiful picture. All are connected, joined, whatever is the color of their skin. If we unite like this, we will proceed like this and then we'll succeed. And what if we start isolating ourselves? No, I am this one. I want to stay away from everybody. No, I am this one. I want to stay away from others. Then you will be alone and you are making others your enemies.
Kirk,
Hmm. See again another beautiful picture. All flags tell us that people belonging to different countries coming together, joining together. Yes, read this.
Kirkup also
Kirkup
used the
also
line to give a
One student, one student.
Kirkup also used the line to give a final reminder to his reader, to always reminder that they are part of global brotherhood, where despite difference, everyone is the same.
See this beautiful phrase. Global brotherhood. Global brotherhood. And what do we say in Hindi or Sanskrit? There's a beautiful phrase in Hindi. What is
Vasudhaiva
that?
Kutumbakam.
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. वसुधैव कुटुंबकम. इस वसुधा पे, इस पृथ्वी पे, on this earth, everybody, whoever lives over here, is a family. हम सबको अपनी फैमिली मानते हैं. This is the same thing, global brotherhood. On this earth, on this globe, in this world, everybody is a brother. Means is the same family. डिफरेंसेस भाई, डिफरेंसेस तो आपकी फैमिली में भी होते हैं. If you are just two brothers, are you the same? Is it possible that two real brothers are same?
No, sir.
It
No,
is
No,
sir.
never
sir.
possible. It is possible in case of only identical twins. वहां पे भी differences होते हैं या नहीं होते हैं? तो फिर ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं है कि बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आइडेंटिकल होंगे, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सेम होंगे. दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल. तो वो तो थोड़े बहुत डिफरेंसेस, वो डिफरेंसेस जो हैं वो इतने डिफरेंसेस नहीं होते कि वी may start considering ourselves different and we may start isolating, because actually basically everyone is the same. तो फीलिंग तो यही होनी चाहिए हमारी. ठीक है. Now somewhere in the poem, when you see the poem, I'll share on the screen. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. Is earth like this, where you are. It's not a very good example. I'll share some other example from the poem. This is repetition. Somebody asked this word in the class last time. किसने पूछा था? Maybe in some other class. See, in these 4 lines, one word has constantly been repeated. Can you see this? We shall discuss all this when we come to the poem. Then there is one more thing called refrain. So I'll tell you about refrain, repetition, and simile with examples in poem. Let me stop sharing it here. Hmm. I remember that this thing I discussed with you in the previous class. So I'm just quickly reading it. Not quickly, I'm just reading it, listen to it. Have you ever thought of some people as strange or other countries as foreign? We have many ways of thinking of other people as different from us, as them. They may belong to a different country or speak a different language. In this poem, however, the poet reminds us of the many ways in which, now pay attention to this line, of the many ways in which we are all the same. For we are all human. When we all are human beings, then we are the same. We are not different. I think the size is big enough to be readable for anybody. Yes. Can somebody read this whole poem in single go? One go? Is there someone in the class who is ready to read it?
So can I?
Yes, beta.
Remember, no man has changed, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single-bodied race. It's ours, the land our brothers walk upon, is earth like this in which we all shall land. They too, aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starve. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. Remember, they have eyes like ours that awake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is actions that we should dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other, it is it is the human earth we defile. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no man are strange, no man are foreign, and no country is strange.
Very nice. See, up till this stanza we read that day, only this was not read. Come to this stanza once again. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other. I was telling that day, we do not dislike or we do not hate or we do not attack or we do not fight or we do not turn against one another. Sometimes, not sometimes, every time, somebody else is the cause of all this. Somebody else tells us. Somebody else influences us. They ignite the fire, they put the spark, and then that spark burns everything. Now, who is allowing them to put that spark on? We are allowing them. So, most important thing here, as James Kirkup says, let us remember one thing. एक बात हमें हमेशा याद रखनी होगी. Whenever we are told, जब भी कभी कोई हमें आके उकसाएगा to hate our brothers, as we have seen, everybody in the world is our brother. We all are brothers. This is global brotherhood. This is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. If somebody comes and tries to influence us, tries to put a feeling of hatred for others who are brothers, it is ourselves. अगर कोई और कोशिश करेगा ना, तो दोष उसका नहीं है, दोषी हम हैं. That we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. अगर हम उससे इन्फ्लुएंस हो गए, then it is our fault. Why is it our fault? Because in the previous 3 stanzas, poet has made all his effort to make us understand, make us realize that there is no difference. They are no different from us. ये पूरी कोशिश उसने यहाँ पे कर ली 3 स्टैंजा में. इतने के बाद ही इज टेलिंग अस कि अगर हम अभी भी इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं ऐसे लोगों से जो हमें अपने ही ब्रदर्स के अगेंस्ट हेट करना सिखा दे रहे हैं, तो फिर हम अपने आप को चीट कर रहे हैं, दोषी हम हैं, nobody else is. रिमेंबर, फिर से सी, यहां रिमेंबर है, फिर से यहां रिमेंबर है, फिर से याद दिलाया है. We who take arms against each other, who picks the arms against each other? हाँ, दूसरों के खिलाफ हथियार उठाता कौन है? लड़ेगा कौन? जो इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है वो? Say something.
Sir, we.
Sir, are
Yes, they are not going to fight. They are not going to get affected. They are not going to get hurt. They are not going to get injured. They are not going to sacrifice anything. They will sit aside and enjoy and take their political benefits. आर्म्स तो हम उठाएंगे, हथियार तो हम उठाएंगे, इंजरीज तो हमें होंगी या हमारे जैसे दूसरे लोगों को होंगी. ठीक है, दिस इज a very important stanza that we need to understand. It's already 3:18. We are 8 minutes ahead of time. Okay, so I'll stop it. It is the human earth that we defile, our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no. Things that we get anywhere are all same, and just out of the anger that is cropping up in us because of other people, and we have started harming other people, we have started betraying ourselves and others. Actually, we are being betrayed by those, but because we are so stupid that we do not understand what their actual wish, their actual desire is, and then we start doing these things. We need to understand this thing, that nobody is foreign, nobody is strange, we are all same. And so there is no scope, no question, no reason to fight. Okay, I'm stopping it here. If there is any question, anything that you wish to discuss, you can further ask it in the next class. Whatever questions you have, I'm stopping it here. The way you are responding today, the way you are acting and reacting today, the way you agreed to read today and to speak today was much, much better than earlier classes. It gives a good feeling. Okay, I want you to be more participative in the class. Okay, so carry on doing things like this, good things like as you have done today. Now I'm stopping to record it. It's already time up. You can say Sairam and leave the class.